Alrighty, gonna get us some bicep curls. Nice, good, effective workout. Always remember, got my C set right, form right, elbows in the right place. Let's get us a good flow, baby. Step down, slow, control them. Back up. That's slow tempo, baby. Just like that. Six. Let's go. I got him. Let's go, baby. Yeah. Oh, give me two. We got him. Last one. Just cuz. Oh, mama. That's a good hit. Whew, man. Sometimes just go at it, you know. Good feel, good pump, but man, can't get out of it. You know, we just stay in it, stay at it, get our games. You know, some people make it more difficult than what it needs to be. I don't believe so. You know, it's just fitness. Get you a nice little rest. That's your recovery, whether it's a minute, 2 minutes, however long you may need. That's how I do it. Nice little rest. When I feel ready, let's get back on them, you know. Ain't nothing to it. Wish I could recover a little more. So I'm going to take that a little bit, about 5 more minutes, you know, a little drink of water. Hydration is very important. You got to stay hydrated. You got to know that, baby. Your performance will be crap if you're not hydrated. I promise you. Let's get it. 4. 5. Let's go, baby. 6. 8. 2. 9. Shit. Fitness, baby. Good feel. Rest, recover, repeat. It's only fitness. That's how I go. That's how we do it, baby. We just keep going and gaining. That's it. Vanilla, baby. 228 telling me I'm still a baby. I get love and it's chance like killing. Second set. This is second set. Put a little more yolk on her, so I don't know how it's gonna look. It may be 6, maybe 8, maybe 4, but we're gonna figure it out though. That's for sure. We ain't making it easy on ourselves, that's for sure. 6. 7. Let's go, baby. Ooh, mama. I got a man again. That's how we do it. That's a good 8. So some effort better than no effort. It's definitely effective burn, good challenge. You always want to challenge yourself no matter what. If it presents a challenge, it presents gains. That's how I look at it. Ain't no point in running from it because you can't run from it, you keep running from it. Give me a little rest, hit this water. You was looking nervous. Just gonna get ready like I load them. I ain't gonna buy no Birkin. Hold on, let me get a little bit more recovery. So sometimes you can feel ready, but the muscle's still recovering. So like for me, I feel ready, I want it, but I can still feel my body still like, so the performance wouldn't be as good. So at least give yourself a chance. Sometimes you just get a nice good pump. Let's get them, baby. Let's go. Where you going? That was tough. And that's how it goes. It's just challenges, You challenge yourself. You want to deplete the muscle, make sure it's not left in the muscle. Effective workout every time. Rest, recover, repeat. It's not hard. It's just fitness, baby, No matter with a positive mind state, make sure your head's in it. Whatever pisses you off, whatever fuel you, hey, use that as motivation. Like, take that and channel that into here. No need to come in and be all, whatever drives you and fuels you, use that. Don't get all bent out of shape. It's only working out because we have to allow ourselves a chance. If not, you're not going to give yourself a fighting chance. So many people, they don't even work out. It's like, bro, I don't know why. I love it. Let's get them. I don't know what's in here, but we're going to see. They did. But it's fitness, baby. That's how it goes. It's just about a good pump. So I'm going to take the weight off and go back in them. Take me a cool 10 off that I put on. We're going to get right back at it. Actually, recovery. Then we're going to go. We're going to run chest and triceps. That's how it goes. Let's get them. Shot. That's how it go, baby. Good time, good finish, good workout. Let's go.